Middle Tennessee, Eastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle
It's
Tennessee,
us.
Southwestern
Again.
Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lakewood to La Verne to 12 miles east of Spring Hill, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
Dang, these storms are
70
cooking.
miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Gallatin, Lebanon, Carthage, Hartsville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Verne, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Nolensville, Lakewood, Watertown, Hermitage, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Melinda City, Old Hickory, and South Carthage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. The National Weather Service has tornado watch number 70 effective until 3. This watch includes the following counties in